Heads up, on Tuesday, December 2nd, the Northeast will see its first winter storm of the year. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz here with your official forecast. We have a broad area of low pressure currently spinning over the southwest. This brought accumulating snow from southern Colorado eastward through Kansas and much of Missouri, including Kansas City and soon to be St. Louis. On Monday, December 1st, snow will push eastward to the Midwest and Ohio Valley. A few inches may accumulate in places like St. Louis, Peoria, Springfield, Indianapolis, Louisville, Cincinnati, Columbus, Cleveland, Dayton, and Pittsburgh, among others. On Tuesday, December 2nd, our storm will develop into a nor'easter as it strengthens off the east coast. This will bring steady snow to much of the interior Northeast and New England, a cold soaking rain for the coast, and a wintry mix in between. There will be a decent conveyor belt of moisture extending from the Gulf, meaning that snowfall rates could be heavy at times, perhaps reaching 1 inch per hour. The main limiting factor, though, is we don't have a blocking high to the north. This means that our storm will be fast moving and will be relatively weak, but also allows warmer air to track farther inland. Here's my official forecast. If you live from DC to Boston, south and east of the coast, this one is looking like a 100% rainstorm. As you go to the far north and west suburbs, like between the Panhandle of West Virginia and Worcester and the North Shore of Mass, we could initially see a period of wintry mix or snow and could lead to minor accumulations. Meanwhile, plowable snow is expected from central Pennsylvania to upstate New York and the entire northern half of New England. The highest amounts will fall in the purple zone, where we could see anywhere from 5 to 8 inches. Certainly some mountainous areas could see isolated totals up to 10 or 11. That includes places like Albany, Concord, and Portland, among others. In terms of timing, this will be arriving earlier in western regions and later in eastern regions. So we're talking first half of the day in the western half of Pennsylvania and New York, and then later in the day in New England. Certainly would not surprise me based on the timing if there were some school cancellations or early dismissals. By the time we get to Wednesday, this will be fully out of here and we'll be good to go, but it wouldn't surprise me if some schools in the hardest hit areas had some delays. Additionally, there's potential for icing in the pink areas, which could lead to some slick travel. As we move forward in December, it looks like the eastern US will be on the colder side for at least the next week, meaning there could be additional opportunities for winter weather on the horizon. For more updates on winter weather, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.